Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or we discuss with you how to change Klarna payment date. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to change your payment date in Klarna, well, there are a few things that you need to do. Now, to change this, you need to access your purchases. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open up the app, log into your account, and go to the payments or purchases at the very bottom of your screen. Now, once you are in here, you should see the list of your purchases. Now, you want to go and select the purchase that you want to update or change the payment date on. Now, once you've done that, you should see a bunch of options and some details about your payments. Now, this is directly from Klarna's website. Now, you should see an option here that says Options. So look for anything or a button that says Options. So sometimes it's going to be a really small button. So go ahead and click on it and select the option that says Extend Due Date. Now, once you've done that, you'll be able to postpone your due date for any upcoming payments here. Now, typically, you could extend this for like 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken. And also, by the way, just make sure to do this like a few days before your actual due date, because there's a whole approval process here. So they will approve if the extension is possible. So if not, you may be, in this case, may be charged with late fees. So just make sure to do this days before the actual due date, just to be on the safe side. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and share button and watch our next video.